I've had another great question with some really important data protection implications. So when you've got your screen up and perhaps you're sharing your screen to your CTouch board, obviously it might be that you get some notifications up which you don't want, saying, for example, dear Jim, it's really important you come and see me in my office because of the very serious thing we have to talk about from the headmaster, and you don't want that to appear. So if you're on the web version of Outlook, you just click on the cog in the top right hand corner and check that desktop notifications are switched to off. They ought to be switched off by default. If you're using the desktop app version of Outlook, you'll need to click on the menu in the top left hand corner and then click on Options at the bottom. In the Options menu, you then click on Mail, and towards the bottom it says to play a sound when new messages arrive, which you can switch off. Show an envelope icon in the taskbar. That means that where it says Outlook in the bottom, it puts an envelope on top of it, like a badge, showing how many emails you've got on an iPhone. And I'm going to just get rid of that as well. And it says display a desktop alert. And so unselect that. And then no alerts will appear for you at all.